Government officials from several states are hoping to get a deal done to provide some foreclosure relief for their citizens. Correspondent Phil Keating tells us how it's going from Miami.
I had a hardship. My husband passed away, and after that, then it all went downhill.
Come on, Nippy.
When Patty Workman became a widow, her income shrunk 75%. She hasn't paid her monthly mortgage for 2 years and continues to ask Bank of America to modify her mortgage.
I go to bed at night worrying about this house. I wake up in the morning still worried about this house and trying so hard to keep this house. I'm fighting so hard to keep my little home.
There are an estimated 6 million distressed homeowners like her facing foreclosure and eligible for home mortgage modification. Federal efforts at mortgage relief had modest impact, but now there is a state-led plan in the works to bring homeowner relief. Attorneys general led by Iowas and Floridas are working to get the banks and lenders to reduce the principal owed by distressed homeowners, helping them make their monthly house payments and avoid foreclosure. In exchange, the AGs would agree to lessen the penalties sought against the banks by the state. From the foreclosure robo-signing scandal to mortgage servicing abuse, a partial amnesty.
Negotiations began a year ago with all 50 attorneys general on board, but now at least 7 have pulled out, including California and New York, concerned that this deal is too sweet for the banks and for homeowners, well, much like this Florida eyesore, neglected and abandoned. If the banks erase $20 to $25 billion in principal, as suggested, critics say that's not enough.
It is a drop in the bucket, and I don't believe it's worth the deal with the devil to give up our rights to bring the proper actions against the banks.
Lenders contacted by Fox declined to comment about the ongoing negotiations. Iowa's Attorney General remains confident a deal that makes both sides happy is still possible. Quote, while attorneys general are free to criticize an agreement that does not yet exist, we expect that they'll soon see the tangible results of our year-long efforts to address improper servicing and foreclosure practices and provide relief to homeowners.
Come on, Libby.
But for Patty Workman,
I'll fight until the end. I am not going to stop fighting. I'm keeping my home.
Her battle with her bank continues. In Miami, Phil Keating, Fox News.